Hey guys, from the 12-box Contenders break, we've got a number of round numbered cards. Simmons, Terrell, Chase Young, Okuda, Cole Kmet, Claypool, Queen, Jason. And then we got two CeeDee Lamb, Rager's. One is red, one is base. So what we'll do for that is between Cowboys and Eagles, whichever wins the red, the other will get the base. And we got Burrow, Jefferson, and Herbert, Jordan Love. All right, so here's what we're going to do is we'll roll the dice twice here, and I've got everything set up, hopefully. So we rolled 2 dice, so 11. So that means we're going to randomize each list 11 times. Whoever is number 1 after 11 rolls will win it. So the first card is between Cardinals, Falcons. Okay, so we will do 11, randomize 1, 2, 3. Don't know where that went. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So whoever's number 1 after this will win that. 11. So congrats, Chad. Cardinals will get that card. Next up, Chase Young and Okuda, Ruby. So whoever's number 1 after 11 will get it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, who's ever number 1 after this will get it. 11 goes to Bill. It goes Chase Young. All right, then Claypool and Kmet. Same thing, 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Congrats, Sean. You get your Claypool card. Then Jags, Ravens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So Curtis will get that card. Next up, okay, so CeeDee Lamb and Jalen Reagor. One's the Ruby parallel. Whoever is 1 will get the Ruby. Whoever is number 2 after 11 will get the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and Trevor gets the Ruby. Justin gets the base. All right, then Cincinnati, Minnesota. Same thing, 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minnesota wins that. And Herbert Love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Jordan Love's going to John. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.